So I've just arrived at my hotel in Portugal, Lisbon, here for 24 hours. I'm gonna go run around. There's a few museums. There's a chicken restaurant I need to check out. I'm most interested in the maritime history of Portugal, so I'm gonna check out the Moulos Museum and the Maritime Museum. Alright, Bonnie something like that? Bloody chicken. The rumors are correct. Okay, so I'm at the kind of main plaza of the city, the massive famous bridge and the kind of Christ Redeemer type statue. Pretty cool stuff. I'm heading to the History Museum because I have my pro straight chicken, then history. That's pretty much it. Alrighty, so I'm at the beach in Barcelona. Nice little 5k run, and it's my second last day here. Leave Friday for Chalkidiki, Athens and Kythera. I'm probably going to stay in Athens for the rest of the year, to be honest. I think I've gotten over the whole shtick of Barcelona. I think I'll be for a decent amount of time, maybe a couple of years. I think this next step, I'm definitely going to like a new phase of my life, so I feel like I've graduated from the Barcelona life. So I think this next move is going to be the big one, another big one. I'm going to go from there. I think I'm over this stuff, you know. I think I've grown out of Barcelona. Alright, I got my coffee. Now I can do introductions. We got this sick pad for like 5 days here in Chalkidiki, and it's pretty cool. Good view, very chill. You gotta have a lot of grass and a nice pad. See all the farms and stuff. But yeah, here with some of the family. All right, so we are on our first run. 4k down, 4k up. I wanted to see that thing, which is a beautiful Stavranica. It's actually the Tower of George. They just called it something different recently. But it's Byzantine East Roman, so very cool. Okay, on a little 5k run in 34-degree heat. Bee keeping or hives behind me. And run up the hill through the forest, run back down. It's a Monday. Not so much work on at the moment. So time to relax, work out, and chill out with the boys. Alright, so we're touristing. One day here in Athena, then we're going to Kythera tonight.
Hello. I'm Robert. Only me.
Okay, we are in Kalamitsi, where the family's from. I brought my humble associate to see the land, the view. Alrighty, second last day in Kythera here in Pelagea, my mother's village. This is really the village. Over there, right in the distance, that hill is where all the family started. My papa George Fardavudi left and came to Australia, It's a weird feeling being back here, seeing all the aunties, uncles, everyone from the old generation that came to Australia. But good, I guess. It's always a weird feeling. It's always melancholic. Not everyone's necessarily happy to see you. Some people are, some people aren't. Some people are scared, which is the saddest. Some people avoid you. But that's going back to the village, right? Coming back here just makes me, unfortunately, not want to come back here. Because some people are so bad, so negative. It makes it such a bittersweet type of feeling. Like loss, you know? But yeah, it's good to share this place with my friends. Show them where I come from, all the stories and everything. But gets me motivated to do more on my own life. You know, I can't explain. Hard to articulate the feeling. But that's that. One more night after tonight, so 2 more nights, and it's back to work. Back to work.